الباص over the
Please in a
bridge.
school bus.
هاي عمر بابا.
Please in a school bus.
He's singing. Oh, to the town. Ray, the choo-choo train is there. Yes. Choo-choo train. Yes, like Zedo's choo-choo train.
This is
bus.
Now we're going inside. Yeah, but very far from here.
تركرين.
It is very nice place. Oh, look, a lot of
Yeah,
trees,
Nice
grasses. Yes, very clean.
The traffic.
Yes, water
مناسبة دينية واجتماعية مميزة.
under the bridge. Look, this is the tall building. Oh, I remember this one. We were there, Zaid, when you were small.
عدم الإفراط في تناول
Oh, see, it's very long. Very long.
وقد يؤدي ذلك لصحية
See, oh
إن
my gosh.
You remember the hotel now?
Yes. Is this the Versace? No, Palazzo. Ah, yeah, Versace. Yeah.
الاعتدال في تناول
Stop.
على أهمية الوعي الغذائي دائما والحرص
They are connected, no? Oh, under the bridge. Look. Choo-choo train is there. Choo-choo train. Nice view.
Traffic.
Traffic, too much traffic today. Yeah, because tomorrow is Eid. People are.
It's not Friday, it's Friday.
Yeah, but
Tomorrow
Thursday night, yeah.
Thursday night is the real Eid.
The train is there. Oh.
Mercy. Mama see.
Mama see. He said Mama see.
Big crane going.
Oh, it's not done here, the construction, Baba, no? Same before, no? They are not done.
Trucks and vehicles.
Only this side, oh.
Trucks and vehicles.
It's like a ship at the top of the building. And
The
there is a water down.
What else?
Yeah. Sometimes there's a boat there, Zaid. But right now, no. There's a skywalk. Bridges. They are building this building with a ship at the top of it. Going down. Oh my gosh. Baba is copying on my video. A lot of palm trees. Why is it so high? It's another Dragon Mart. The other Dragon Mart. This is the one or my gosh, every time I make video, Baba is coughing. Dragon Mart? Yeah.
This is still one.
Big one.
This is two. That one is one.
There's another, no, this is Nesto.
It's two inside the dragon.
This is side Dragon Mart. Yeah, this is another, yeah, this is the two. Yeah. Yeah, here, this is another Dragon Mart. This is Dragon Mart
See the
2.
number?
Yeah. Still here. It's too big. How many Dragon Mart are there? 4, I think. Right?
No, two.
2?
One.
It's too big.
The old one.
The new one?
Which one is big? That's a Look at this.
Yeah. Nice houses. Zido will buy one in the future.
One. Red one. So what is this?
Very big, no? They also have basketball court. Huh?
This one's.
This one is modern.
You know what they do? Each time.
He saw it. Yes,
Oh,
the
the
train is
train.
there. He was
Train.
telling me something and I did not pay attention because I was searching for something. Oh, the choo-choo train is there. Oh my gosh, too much nice. Train? The train is there. Oh, bye-bye train. Bye-bye train.
Definitely. Yeah, it's not
That's
municipality.
the shape. It's like a ship.
It's Dubai municipality.
Yes. Yeah. We will pass under the bridge. Yeah, there's a water there. Oh, is it sea water, Baba? Right there.
Gulf, yeah, the Gulf.
Yeah. There. The water is here. Oh. So it's Zaid. The water is there.
They call it Dubai Canal.
Dubai Canal. This is the extension of the Dubai Canal.
That goes to Ras Al Khor.
No, when we had our do crossing, I think it's the same canal, Baba,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, the same. DFC is there.
Very nice area there. A lot of trees. Oh, that is the tallest building, Burj Khalifa. There. Oh, you saw the tallest building, Zaid? Oh, it's very sharp. Oh, there. Because every time I make video, Baba Cafe. Oh, they see nice. Look. Oh,
Nice.
yes, that's those are the buildings in Dubai. We are now under the bridge. Look.
Airplane.
Oh, airplane. Where's the airplane? Where?
I see it.
You saw the left side.
Yeah. The one on the right
Oh, there's another one, Zaid. Here. Oh. There. Airplane is there. Oh, it's very small. We cannot see it here.
Airplane.
Oh, a lot of nice buildings. Oh, look.
Airplane.
Yes. Airplane. And there's another airplane there.
Oh, it's airplane.
Yes. That's the Paramount Towers that from Damak. By Damak. And now we will go under the bridge. Yes. And here is the Burj Khalifa. Closer view. Look, there is it. Look. This area, Baba, is still empty. In the future, they will have big buildings here. See how many buildings they can build here.
See, they doing some
Yes.
construction.
That area there, full. The downtown.
You see the people who has villas here.
There's also mosque over there in the middle. You saw it?
All as well.
Mosque there. Everywhere, mosque.
Local area, the
Yeah, in one area, it will they will have 3 or more mosque, right? Oh, dear! Oh, the nice building like a penguin. Two buildings. They are twins.
Penguin.
Yeah, the shape is like a penguin over there. Oh, the left side. Their buildings here are unbelievable, right? Different shapes. There's another buildings over there. They are attached to each other. Oh, we are now in Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall. Oh, here. Dubai Mall.
see Burj Khalifa.
Now we will go to the mall. We'll eat there. Huh?
Here, Burj Khalifa is very
Here it's very close. Oh my gosh, very nice. Look, Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Look, Zaid. Near Dubai Mall. There. Here is Dubai Mall. We're going to eat inside Dubai Mall. What do you want to eat, Zaid? What do you want to eat? Huh? What do you want to eat?
Go in the playground.
Eat in the playground. Just playground, Baba. We're going to the... Where is this?
Tennis.
Oh, they say that it's parking. Yes, parking. Nice. All here, all damak, no? Damak. They're building new ones here, no? Before it was empty, Baba, that side.
All Dubai is all buildings. These buildings. And they're still building. But look at the other side, the new,
Yeah.
brand new.
Yeah, but not the tall.
Yeah, but Dubai is always buildings.
Yeah, especially this area. Before it was empty that side, like you know, in front of the 4 buildings together, the Paramount.
This is a new building here.
Yeah.
Now they are building there.
There's a new one here in between these two. Yeah, this is the Horseshoe. They changed the name from Dar Global to Gora. Different.
Now they're building new buildings.
Yeah, still building. But Zaid is sleeping. Oh, a lot of cranes, Zaid. Oh, cranes.
Why sleeping? You just woke up.
Green.
He's not talking now. Yeah, cranes. Yes. Yes, cranes.
See a new building also.
Yeah, only the right side. Left side, small ones, residential, right? Villas.
Villas. It's called Al Maraba, the area.
A lot of damak everywhere. A lot of rich people here, investors. And Subha also, Subha. A lot of Subha now.